welcome back to another video. As you've probably seen from the title and the thumbnail, this is the What's in My Bag for 2025. Been watching a few of these on YouTube lately and I thought why not jump on and give my own What's in My Bag for 2025 as a full-time content creator here in Australia. Just before we start, everything that's in the bag is owned by me and has been purchased by myself. Nothing sponsored in this video, so it'll be my own honest opinions and reviews. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's start with the bag. This is the PGY Tech 1Mo2 35 litre backpack. It actually came with a little cube pouch as well, but I don't really use that. And also came with like hip harnesses. I took those off as well, so I don't really do this bag with much hikes. It's got little pickup carry there, pickup carry here. The straps are solid as. It's got a little phone holder in there. Side pocket here if you've set it up like that way. Mine's not set up like that. Pocket in here. Expandable pocket at the front, which will show you what's in there. Another pocket on the side, and then a tripod or drink bottle holder in there. All right, let's see. Let's open up the front pocket. So this is the expandable one. This bag's gone everywhere with me. It's had it for probably 2 years and it's gone to Vietnam, Japan, Philippines, across Australia. So in here we have the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, shotgun mic, top handle, spare batteries for the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which is inside here. For the Osmo Action 5 Pro, this is what I use for FPV droning and a little bit of vlogging, and for our reels that we do at work. Sometimes we'll use these. And we also have the DJI RS3 Pro gimbal that fits in there as well. That's all that's in there. A little NPF battery to run the Atomos Ninja 5 monitor. Yep, so the Ninja 5 monitor as well for the A-cam. HDMI to HDMI cable for the monitor, tripod legs for the gimbal, monitor mount, just the cold shoe to quarter 20, and then the gimbal little lens thing. I actually don't really know what it does. I think it just takes the weight off the body, and yeah, that's all that's in this top pouch. So I'll leave everything to the side, and then we will go to the side pockets. So in here we have SD card reader. So it's just got a bunch of SDs in it. Had this for years. It's been alright. The only downside is I've had a couple of SDs break. Actually there's one in here. Just because this is quite a hard surface, if you push them in hard it actually can break the SD or split it apart. That's a little downside, but if you're careful with it, it's fine. We've got a pen, just in case we need to write anything. A little multi-tool, a whole lot of different Allen keys for when I'm building the rig. And we've got a little quick release shoulder strap as well for the stills camera. That's all that's in there. Moving on to the other side pocket. We've got 4TB SSD. This is the SanDisk one. I've heard people say that they've had them corrupt or lose their data, but touch wood, I haven't lost anything yet. CF Express Type B card reader. DJI base plate for the gimbal. and a little basic lens cleaning kit and body cleaning kit as well. Some lens wipes, always handy to have, and a spare pair of wired headphones. It's all in there. This bag's been great. I'd say the only downside that I've found is it's actually quite heavy when there's nothing in it. So you've got to quite be careful when, I don't know, like taking out the airlines. It weighs a ton before you've even packed anything on it, in it. But it's a strong, sturdy bag and fits a lot of equipment, as you will see as we enter the main compartment. So we'll start with obviously the main camera. A is the Canon C80. So actually I've just picked this up only a week ago, so it's still in test mode, but so far I absolutely love it. The quality you get, C-Log 2 audio channels, it's just, it's been a dream. Internal NDs. It's the first cinema camera I've owned, and hopefully it's the last, because this thing just continues to amaze me. I haven't rigged it out yet, but maybe one day. And then also the second camera body would sit here, which is currently the R6 Mark II, which I'm currently filming on up here. We've got just a newer dual battery charger for the Canon R6, so the the LP6 batteries from Canon. Lenses, we've got the 24-70 2.8, basically full-time mounted on the C80 at this stage. We've got some AirPods for when I'm editing or having team meetings. Just a lone says USB-C to USB-C for some reason. We'll work our way this way. Over this corner, we've got the 7 Artisans T2 85mm cinema lens. Love this thing. So focus pull so nice. T-stops rings is nice. The depth of field you get from it is amazing. I've found it's like slightly on the warmer side, but yeah, no, it's a great lens. Full manual focus as well. Over here we've got just a V-mount battery for when I stick it on the C80 or use it as like a bit of a power bank. And there's a little adapter for the C80 so we can power the C80 through the V-mount. And then tucked in behind there is a little pocket for the ear tag as well. I've got an ear tag in here. Moving across here, this is the Sigma EF35 1.4 with the EF to RF adapter. Super sharp lens, great bokeh, good for interview setups, and super good with stills as well, so beautiful looking lens. Bought this second hand off Facebook Marketplace actually. Same with this one, bought from Facebook Marketplace for I think about 400 Australian dollars about a year ago. Moving along over here, we've got the DJI mic minis with the dual receivers and one transmitter. Super easy with the Osmo, just connects wirelessly, and then you can use it on top of the cameras as well. And you've got interview setups. It just lives in there. In this pocket we have the drone NDs, the drone, and then we've got Osmo Action NDs as well. This is the ND compartment. Here we have a newer 2 to 5 stop variable ND with mist filter, mist built in. Another one the same if I wanted to run dual cam interviews, both having a bit of a mist on there. And then we've just got another newer, this is actually 2 to 9 stop variable ND non-mist. So it's just the stock standard one that I usually go for the B cam. And that's all that's in that little compartment. It's all quite tight, so it doesn't wiggle around. Moving to this one, we have the spare batteries for the Canon. So this, what's cool about this PGY tech is that they've got little indicators here, so if they're flat, just bump it across and it'll show red. Green means good to go. So there's 3 batteries in there, and then 2 currently in the R6 Mark II. On the R6 Mark II, we're using the 16 to 35 2.8 EF Canon lens. Moving across to here, we just have a little blower. We need to blow some dust. And drone. So we've got the DJI RS2 controller and the battery packs for the drone. They just sit in there. They're actually not set up, but a little hack is to actually store them the other way around in the storage compartment, because they will otherwise not discharge and they'll just sort of keep cycling around, and I don't think it's good for them. So you normally store them this way so then they can discharge by themselves. Let me know in the comments if that's what you do or if you've learned something new. Alright, moving down, we have the drone. This is the DJI Air 3S. I absolutely love this thing. I upgraded from the Air 2S to the Air 3S, and yeah, absolutely love it. So easy to fly, great quality. Return to home is unreal. Active tracking is superb. Yeah, can't rate highly of this little drone. It's a great piece of kit. And then super tight. Up front, we've just got a whole bunch of cables, USB-C, USB, Type-Cs as well, just a whole bunch of cables to charge all the different batteries and devices that I need. Little Jay Burrow's got this from Officeworks. It's a 100 watt and 200 watt USB-Cs and then 2 USBs. Great little power brick. MacBook charger, and then another 4 terabyte SSD. Up the front, we've just got a few little Velcro cables to keep the cables nice and tidy when you're packaging them up. But yeah, that's all that's in the front pocket. Up there, and then we've just got 2 more items which are back here. So we have the iPad 11 Pro, 11 inch. I just use this for Milanote and quick note taking. Super handy when you're on set and just want to talk to the client or show the client what you've got on your Milanote. And then of course the editing power behind it all is MacBook Pro 2021 M1 Pro chip, 1 terabyte SSD. The thing's a beast as well. Had it since brand new and hasn't skipped a beat. But yeah, I think that's all that's in this bag. So let me know in the comments, were you surprised at how much you could fit in this bag? Top handle goes on there, and then you can sort of rig it up as much as or a little as you want. Been enjoying just shooting handheld and just like no rigs at the moment. It's been quite fun. Oh, one last thing, I actually do have some JBL 650, I think they are, noise cancelling headphones. Bluetooth, but also got the cords and I can plug in and sort of monitor audios I personally like having over ear rather than in ear buds. Much more comfortable, and you can sort of use them for a long period of time, so they just sort of live in there. Forgot to mention this little thing that was in the bag as well. It's the newer V-mount battery with quick release base plate. Picked it off Amazon. Used it for traveling when I didn't want to have the whole rig set up with the rails and stuff, but still want V-mount, and found it really good. So hopefully you can keep using it. Just a nice small little setup that allows you to use V-mount with the quick release, which is good. So yeah, that's what's in my camera bag for 2025. It's always evolving and changing, but that's the current setup that I've got at the moment, and I'm loving it. Like I said, the C80, which I'm now filming on, only had it a week, but absolutely love it so far. The menu system takes a bit to get used to, but and I'm still learning it. But I'm sure we'll just keep evolving as well. And then the R6 Mark II for B cam and for stills. I think it's a pretty good combo at the moment. But yeah, if you'd like to see what I take on a bit more of a bigger shoot, if I require a bit more gear, lighting, let me know in the comments, and we can make a video about what lighting I've got, and also what I bring along in a Pelican when I require a little bit more gear, a bit more lenses. Yeah, drop a comment if you'd like to see what's in those Pelicans, and I'll make another video. I'm also thinking of making a video about the C80 and my experiences once I've had it for a few months, and comparing it to the previous camera, which was the R5 that I had. It's actually away getting fixed at the moment with Canon. Had some troubles with the card reader, so it's under insurance. Getting that fixed, but they'll toss up whether I'll keep it as the B cam and just use the R6 as the third cam, or sell the R5. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.